You know, I could never forget the statement of that big individual, big person with white clothes, with white dress. And he said, if you want to be saved, you follow the faithfulness of your parents. Kung gusto kang maluwas, sunda ang pagkamatinud-anon sa pag-alagad sa imong mga ginikanan. Akong pangutana, mga ginikanan, to all parents, kung ikaw na muingon ka ha ang manulunda nga sunda ang imong ginikanan, you follow the faithfulness of your parents if you want to be saved. You evaluate that by yourselves.